Nick, thanks for joining us today.
You bet.
Greatly appreciate it. Can you tell us a little bit about M&M Home Remodeling Services and what you do here?
Sure. So M&M is a family-owned business that was started in 1976. And the company currently is a home improvement company specializing in roofing, siding, and window replacements. And my current role here is president.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been here all my life, but officially I think it started around 11, started to help out around the warehouse and eventually get out to some job sites and really just kind of progressed from there. Worked here all through school and really kept advancing and just learning about the entire company from the ground up.
As an employer, I know it's important to you to give back and have your employees give back in the community. Why is that such a big deal to you?
One of the things that we try to instill with our team, and we try to live that out, is just not only generosity by giving money in certain ways, but we go out and serve as well, right? So we want to help out the community, and we want to be able to give back in the communities in which we work and the communities that patronize our business as well. Mm-hmm. For some people, they've never had this be a part of their life, and when they go and they do something for the first time and they get involved, they pack a box, they maybe donate something, it starts to change them and you see something different in their life. I think when you go out and serve with people you work alongside with, there is a sense that there's this greater purpose, right? But really what we're starting to see is the DNA is changing within the culture of the people, and it's starting to become something that's important to the individuals, which really, that's what makes up the company.
Yeah, it's been awesome to be able to work with M&M, from as a 501c3, organization who's hoping to give back and, provide support to people going through cancer. There's been a few ways that your employees have volunteered. What's one way on site that you guys have given back through Phil's Friends?
You guys came out and were able to organize, in conjunction with our team, an event right here on the property. And between the Phil's Friends team and the M&M team, we put together a way to pack boxes and write cards and just do all the things that go into those care packages. So it was a really simple and easy way to get your employees and your team involved, and then you don't even have to leave where you're at, which for the convenience factor is great.
It wasn't just your employees, but also their families came, and it was really cool for me as a founder of the organization trying to give back, and your company doing that as well, to see employees serving around their sons and daughters. And so what was that like for you to see the families come together?
We had some kids that were 4 and 5 years old, and we had some teenage kids and some husbands and wives. So that was really fun. Plus, for me, I think it's one of those things that it connects the team members to the business even more, right? Like you include it, it's a family event, and it just helps people understand that, it's not just about the job, and it's so much more.
Your group was the first group to come in the Hope Center and ever serve, and I remember assembling, which is now in the inventory room, as the shelves keep on getting fully loaded, but you've also brought your company in to serve as well inside the center. What was that like for them to go off-site and serve together?
I thought it was important that we do that first because it's impactful to be able to go there and see all the supplies, to be able to see all the boxes, just to see what a Hope Center looks like, and to be able to hear from the team members at Phil's Friends. Mm-hmm. It's one thing to obviously come out, and that's convenient at our place of business, but I think as a foundation to be able to start with seeing where it all originates from is really helpful.
Yeah. As you move forward, how important it is to you as a business owner now, as you expand, making sure that employees are giving back now and your culture is right now. How big is that for you as a business owner?
As we expand and as we grow, that's the one piece that we don't want to lose. But I think if we continue to focus on what our core values are and make sure that we're looking to hire those type of people that embody those, we'll be in good shape.
If there were other people that were interested as companies to get involved in an organization like Phil's Friends, why would you tell them that it's an important thing to do?
Well, I think overall it's an important thing to do just from the generosity standpoint, to be able to give back. One of the side benefits that happens, it's unintended consequence, is that it makes your people better and your business better. And then, specifically around Phil's Friends, I would tell people that what attracted me to this organization is that it met real needs for people that were hurting, and it met people right where they were at a really difficult time. And so that's a piece of this ministry and this organization that I thought was really cool. And I think anything that they do in terms of donating and organizing, it won't go to waste. It'll really impact people's lives.
Yeah, that's great. Is there anything that we didn't address that you'd love to say?
I would just encourage other business owners and other companies to really take a look at how they do giving back and to the community and to organizations, and not just think about it at a company level, but really get their people involved and make it part of your culture. Be able to plant those seeds in people, right. Help them on their journey, and whether all of your team members are with you forever or not, they're going to take those things and then they'll take those seeds and plant them at other companies. So it's a really cool process.
That's great. Well, we appreciate all the support that you have done through the Ministry of Phil's Friends and the impact. It's been a pleasure for me to see the impact on the employees and also their families. And I think it's official that I do this for the very first time. Pull out the M&M Home Remodeling Services
looks
hat.
Good. Looks like you're from Green Bay.
Yeah, we appreciate it. I was there last weekend, but it didn't go so well.
All right, cool.
Thanks, Nick. Appreciate it.